Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Brittney, and today in the kitchen we're making bacon barbecue chicken. This meal is good for any weeknight dinner or your next get-together for game day. I have a Pyrex dish and I'm putting the chicken breast into the Pyrex. I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I have a bowl of barbecue sauce that I added a few spices to, so you can add your favorite spices to it, and I put it in a bowl, and I have a silicone brush, and I'm going to brush all of the chicken breast with the barbecue sauce. I recommend only using the barbecue sauce that you're going to use on the chicken because the chicken is raw, so you want to use all the barbecue sauce, and if you have any left over, then you would want to discard of that. So I'm just painting all the barbecue sauce onto the chicken. I have about 3 pounds of chicken breast here, and I have 8 pieces that I've cut the chicken breast up into. Got all the barbecue sauce onto the chicken, and now I'm gonna get out the bacon. I'm gonna take the bacon strips and I'm gonna wrap them around the chicken. You want to tightly wrap the bacon around the chicken breast, overlapping slightly so the bacon is going to crisp evenly. If you want, you can also use toothpicks to make sure that the bacon stays on. And if the one piece of bacon slice doesn't cover the entire piece of chicken, you can use 2. I usually go through and making sure that each piece of chicken has 1 bacon slice, and then I'll go through and add in another to fill in the spaces if that slice of bacon didn't fit all the way around the piece of chicken. That way it all has been covered by the bacon. This is a super easy meal to throw together. You just have the chicken, barbecue sauce, the bacon, and then we'll add some cheese later. There's not much to making this meal once you get it all ready, and then you just throw it in the oven and let it cook. So this is the last piece of bacon that I wrapped on the chicken. I went through and added a few more pieces to each of the chicken breasts to make them fully covered with the bacon. And now they're ready to go into the oven. I had the oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm gonna cook this chicken with the bacon wrapped on it for about 1 hour, and then I'm gonna check to make sure that it's done. The chicken and bacon have been cooking for 1 hour. I'm gonna pull it out. As you can see, some of the bacon is getting a little bit crispier. I'm gonna add a drizzle of barbecue sauce on top of this. And then I shredded up some cheese earlier, and then I'm just gonna put some cheese right on top of that. then I'm going to put this back in the oven. We want the cheese to be melted, but I'm going to also want to cook it for about 20 more minutes. It's been about 20 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the oven. And the bacon barbecue chicken is ready, and I can start making plates. For a side, I just heated up some beans. And if you would like, you can add a little bit more barbecue sauce when you're ready to eat. You can find the full recipe in the description box down below. Enjoy, dinner is served. Thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know if you tried Bacon BBQ Chicken. We'll see you next time in the kitchen.